Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Rudy here with your ruts, and we are on location here for snow removal in Edmonton, and we just finished 2 properties here and just wanted to show you how our service differs from some of the other companies. Especially I want to show you how it looks different when it comes to the bottom of the driveway where it goes onto the roads. So I'm going to show you what we do. 2 properties and then 1 property sandwiched in between. This is where the other company services, and I'm going to show you how they do it. So here's our property we take care of. So you may not be able to see it properly, but this is like the curb line, and this part is basically like public road. So what we do is, you may see, like, this is like the deep snow, and so all this here you see about 3 feet is basically off the property onto the road. And the reason why we do it, because if this all builds up throughout the winter, through the season with deep snow, and then we have kind of like warmer periods where it all gets slushy, and then it gets icy again, so this becomes a whole mess, and it also can build up to a lump, and your vehicle may be bottoming out, driving over this lump. So this is how we do it, and I'm going to show you the neighboring property going down the road. So this property here is taken care of by the other company. And as you can see, the curb line is right here, so this is all cleared. And here, this would be basically, or this is public road, and you can see all those deep ruts and lots of loose snow. And if this all gets mushy and icy again, this may not be so pretty with your vehicle to drive through. I mean, maybe not a big deal, but we try to go the extra mile. So this property here is ours again, that we take care of. Again, you see the curb line is here. Public road starts to the right, and we basically clear off like even way more than 3 feet, because deep snow starts here. So from here to here is all cleared off, and it is all public road basically. So this also prevents, when it gets really warm, from taking care of that the sidewalk and the property doesn't get flooded with melting water and then freezes over at night. So this becomes really dangerous. So as you also can see, we keep a nice clean edge to all the way to the property line, all the way to the bottom here too, left and right. This is how we do it. Again, this is Rudy here with your yard service, showing you the difference between the snow removal companies, how we do it and how some other companies do it. In this case, for the bottom of the driveway where it goes onto the public road. Again, our properties will have, let's say, like a 3 to 4 foot skirt cleaned off onto the public road, while the other companies or some other companies do not clear that loose, slushy, deep snow off, and then this may become like an issue for getting vehicles stuck, or it building up like a big lump over time. Or when you have freeze and thaw, it becomes really icy, those ruts, and that's not really too nice for your tires as well, and also a little bit inconvenient to deal with overall. Again, Rudy here with your yard service, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, youryardservice.com, and see you in the snow. It's actually snowing right now. Talk to you later.